If you are wondering if we have Mindspace on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is yes, although we do not have the additional button on the left side, which usually allows you to quickly activate Mindspace on other OPPO smartphones. It is still possible to use Mindspace. In order to find Mindspace, you can, for example, use the search on the home screen, and here if you type Mindspace, you should be able to find the app over here. You can also go to settings on your phone. There we go. And over here, if you scroll down to OPPO AI, then in here we can find the Mindspace as well. And if you go here, you can actually add the home screen shortcut. So of course you have quicker access to the Mindspace like this. You can also open Mindspace from here. You have, of course, the introduction. You can, of course, grant all the necessary permissions that you want to grant. And there we go. As you can see, we can have the Mindspace in here. Now, in this case, if you want to use the Mindspace without the button, if you want to capture the screenshot and send it to the Mindspace, you just have to use 3 fingers and swipe up like this. And that is pretty much it. So let me actually go to the home screen, for example. Let's see if it's going to work. There we go. And it was sent to the Mindspace. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.